Hi everyone, this is the first video in a series of video lectures on the application of machine learning in algorithmic and systematic trading. Some people are familiar with algorithmic/systematic trading but have little or no understanding of machine learning. Others are knowledgeable in machine learning but don't really know what trading is. This course is designed for both groups. Both might wonder, what does trading have to do with machine learning? Well, loosely speaking, trading involves buying financial instruments such as stocks or cryptocurrencies when you expect their prices to rise and selling them when you expect the prices to fall. This way, you can make a profit, but only if you can predict price movements at least to some extent. That's where machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a well-established field of science developed over many decades. It provides rigorous, powerful, and reliable methods for finding patterns in data, or closer to our case, for finding signals indicating upcoming price changes. So, from that perspective, machine learning is a must if you want to find trading strategies in a data-driven or evidence-driven way. In this introductory video, I will briefly introduce myself, provide a high-level overview of the course content, and explain who can benefit from this course and how. Let me start from a brief self-introduction. I will try to keep it short and avoid turning this into resume reading. I was born in Ukraine, where I earned a master's degree in theoretical physics. I then moved to Germany, where I completed a PhD in quantum chemistry. After that, I continued my academic journey in the United States with a postdoctoral research in biophysics. Finally, I earned a second PhD in behavioral game theory at a university in the Netherlands. In total, I spent 12 years in academia. I mention this part of my career only to highlight my experience in conducting rigorous scientific research using systematic, evidence-based methods. After 12 years in academia, I transitioned to industry, where I have spent other 12 years working as a machine learning expert. During this time, I spent over 5 years at an algorithmic trading company, applying machine learning techniques to build trading strategies for financial market. Back then, as an experienced ML practitioner, I believed that machine learning was domain agnostic, meaning that if you know a machine learning method like random forest or neural network, you could apply it in any field, medicine, retail, astrophysics, or anything else. I still believe that's largely true, with only one notable exception known to me: finance. Finance, or more specifically the problem of finding a profitable trading strategy using financial data, is a very exceptional and challenging problem from a machine learning perspective. This problem is so different from standard machine learning tasks that some people even struggle to see how machine learning can be applied to developing a trading strategy at all. In the upcoming videos, I will outline these unique challenges in detail. Each one represents a significant obstacle that you need to overcome to be able to apply machine learning for finding trading strategies. More importantly, I won't just list these challenges, I will also provide solid, practical solutions for each one, offering clear ways to address and overcome them. To conclude, this course is highly valuable, perhaps even essential for those developing trading strategies but lacking a background in machine learning. Conversely, if you are already a machine learning specialist looking to apply your skills to trading, you are in the same position as I was 7 years ago. This course could save you years of research and exploration. Naturally, if you are new to both trading and machine learning but are committed to mastering them, this course is an excellent place to begin. Finally, even if you already know how to apply machine learning to trading, you may still find value here, whether through alternative approaches or a fresh perspective. In other words, you can consider this course as a source of inspiration.